Hey everyone, today we talk about the Theta, the perfect indicator, the proven, and the update about the Ethereum and the Bitcoin. So the first is that you can find that this is the chart about the Theta, and this is I call it the Bollinger Band. I will talk about it later, but I show you first about the Bitcoin. It is also the same indicator. It is the perfect by the top, sell the high, by the top, by the bottom, and also by the bottom. Similar like this. This is the chart since 2012 until 2022, and the theta is almost the 3 years now. Therefore, I told you this is the most perfect indicator so far, and I'm not just simply the random drawing. There is the logic. So this is the logic. I'm sorry I cannot show you the detail, but I'm using the simple moving average, so using the SMA, and I'm also using the circle, the pi. You also, if you back to the elementary school, you know how to calculate the circle. You are using pi 3.14, right? And after that, I'm using the circle, also the square root. So I'm using the square root, the mathematics logic. And after that, I draw the line. That's how you get this chart. Okay. And the things that I want to update you that now for the theta, if you are zooming, look, you buy the bottom in here and you sell the top in here. Now you buy the bottom and just sell not the high because you have crashed, remember 2021. But in here, this is the peak. When in March 2021, remember, you are FOMO, right? That you are by the top. And you buy the top and you expect it's much beyond this like the range. It's not possible. Even the Bitcoin cannot. Look, the Bitcoin cannot defeat to outside this range. And if the Bitcoin cannot, what do you expect from the Theta, right? Okay, this is how you define where to buy the bottom. Now, so far, you buy the bottom in here, you buy the bottom in here, and you sell around this one because you are still in the bearish time, right? So it's like this one. Look, in the bearish time, you cannot going to up. In the bearish time, you cannot going to up. Even the Bitcoin need 4 years just to back to the top. Now the question is theta. So the theta, if you already buy in here, sell somewhere, it is good. Buy in here, sideways, and selling in this is good. Now the question is, if you buy in here, you have two story, right? Whether it can going up or it's going down. So for me, I'm still waiting the theta that I hope the theta can crash to here. Okay, it's maybe not tomorrow, not next week. I don't know. Maybe the price can going up first before we are crash. It's still possible. But if you're expecting that the theta is beyond the range like this one, so beyond the range, it's up to you. But for me, it's a bit impossible. Okay, even if the price is still can going up, just retest before it's going down again. But at least that you need to remember, you have the US election. November, you have US election. So 1 month before equal to bullish. So look, at least in here, I know that the October is very good. Therefore, I hope that it can soon going down in the September and October we are going up. Why? Because in here you have the US election. Get in here before it's going down again. Yeah, even if the price is going up, look, the price from this to this is going up, right? And before it's going down again. The question is how far? Look, from the bottom to the top, it's almost 100% pump. So even if in here you have 100% pump in here, or 200% doesn't change anything because the theta is a very crazy mover. I'm still very good in theta, but remember we are still in the bearish, and for me, okay, the price action is around this one. So it's around 0.32 0.62 dollar is very good in here, or maybe it's almost 0.8. So 0.8 dollar. Okay, it's depend in here or in here. It's around this range, but this is very good if you agree. And now, what about the Bitcoin? Remember, The Bitcoin have the big pump in here, and also the big pump in here when the people call bearish 2021. Look, I buy the dip because I have this chart. The dump in here I also buy. In here I also buy, but in here when I buy, the price is still going down, so it's okay. Just chill, and in here the people who buy in here gonna sell in here. Now personally I'm still waiting if you want to buy the dip. Why? Because you have still okay, let's open the chart. So, this is the previous chart that I told you many times, right? That we are in the daily time frame, the Bitcoin have this line. We are still in the strong moving average 8-week. The white color we are still going down, but remember that October we have the bull run, so I'm still expecting that we can going to lower just to hit this green one. The green one is the moving average. So, I mean the Bollinger Band in here, the Bollinger Band 2021. So I'm still expecting that we can hit this one, hit the Bollinger Band before we have the October bull run. Okay, but it's still long to go. And the next is about the potential. Okay, for the short potential, if you want to look the bullish, so this is the bullish scenario. Bull scenario, small chance. Look, we have the falling wedge. The falling wedge is the bull scenario, and look, it is the 4-hour candle since starting in the 15th August. It's going down, going down. Now the question is number one or number two. Okay, so price still can going down before retest and going up. But remember, even the price is going up, the big picture that we are still in the bearish. Okay, let's move. Look, we are still in the bearish time, and let's hide everything to make simple. Look, we are just in the big strong moving average 8-week. 8-week going downtrend, fake out going downtrend. Now another fake out is possible. And remember, if you have the big bull run in 2021, the white color is the 8-week moving average. Now you have the very strong downtrend below the 8-week is still possible. Look, even we are still in the 8-week. Since the July until now, almost 2 months. 2 months we are still below this moving average 8-week. So this is the key. If the price can going up in the short term 4 hours doesn't mean change anything in the weekly time frame. So good luck for the trading, because the trader now is the food for the whales. The whales gonna take the traders' money. That's the rule. The traders always lose. Investor always win. As the investor, I'm still waiting. Okay. And the next is about the Theta. The Theta, I mean the Ethereum. The Ethereum also the same. Look, you have the very strong line in here. Okay, if you change, to make it easy, change to red. Okay, look, you have the red color. It's the exponential moving average. Oops, sorry. 8-week. The moving average 90 days, the red color. We are rejected. Now we are still in the retesting. Previously we are pump. Now what do you look like? This is always the pump whenever hit the bottom. Now always dump whenever hit the bottom. You can mention that it's can going up. It's still possible because the Ethereum have the merging. The merging would happening in the next two weeks. But the question is it just an issue or you are following the tail? For me, I'm still waiting. Why? Because look, to Bitcoin, I'm still waiting to hit this the green color, because the September always bearish, right? September always bearish, almost the last 4 years. Okay, that's why this is the outlook. I'm still waiting the Ethereum to going down. Even the price is going up, don't FOMO. Remember, don't FOMO. You are still in the big downtrend. If you're saying this is the bullish, you are stupid. I mean, okay, we are still in the downtrend. Just calm down. That's the key. And what's about the next event? You have the non-farm payroll tomorrow morning, non-farm payroll, and also unemployment rate. Their market gonna be volatile with the 3-star in the investing. Therefore, the market gonna be going up, going down. That's a very crazy movement happening, and we are waiting like the pump, dump, the pump and dump. Okay, and that's why I'm still waiting. Just chill, because buy the dip is the key. If I'm even lose this battle, remember that the September is still going down, so I don't care about the merging to Ethereum. I don't care, because the price is the everything. The Nasdaq is very soft. Okay, how? Okay, let's move to Nasdaq if you want to. Look, the Nasdaq in the daily time frame going down, 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 and down. We are now retesting in this support. Okay, and how about the US 100? The US 100 also the same. We just broke the line. This is the line, and we just broke it. And the question is how far? And if you are zooming, look, you have 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you're expecting the pump, the people who expecting the pump in here still going downtrend. That's what I'm afraid now. Okay, remember, this very strong line is also similar like this very strong line. No different. Okay, that's why I'm still waiting, because everything is look bearish. Even there is a pump, remember, this is the whales who manipulating. Maybe the price, and possible that the price is going up. But after it is break, you never know when it's the crash is happening again, right? Okay, because I want to take the risk. Okay, that's the idea for today. And if you want to update about the Bitcoin, about the Theta USD, and using the Theta Bollinger Band like this one, just comment, and I always update you on the regular basis in this channel about it, especially for the Theta and the Bitcoin. Okay, because I believe that in the next bull run the Theta is going to be crazy. How long? How big? Okay, let's draw. If you draw from this to this, look, you meet 2.2 in here, right? Oh, sorry, let's change. Okay, okay, you find that in this area is 2.2. Now, if you are moving the same question 2.2, if you draw from top, let's say the bottom around 0.6, to where is 2.2? No, the 2.2 is 1000. Okay, but I know that's a very crazy, but at least maybe 2.2 happening in the next 10 years. But in the next bull run, I hope that we are hitting to this one, 130. Okay, 100K by 2024. I hope so. Okay, that's the big chance for us. 2024, we're gonna hit 130 US dollar. That's a bit the master plan. Okay, this is the master plan. 2024, I hope. I hope. That's why I'm very excited about the Theta. Okay, but remember that for now, bearish time is the bearish time, and always remember that. Okay, let's delete everything first. Okay, always remember that you still have this downtrend line, right? Look like this one. Okay, okay. So if you're going down, it's still in the line. We are still going trend, the double bottom, and next year is fly. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.